Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Gemini, air sign. This is March mid-month reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. What are the messages for Gemini, air sign and what's going on. What are the messages for Gemini? Okay. Queen of Wands. What are the messages for Gemini? What are the messages for Gemini? Chariot with 10 of Pentacles. I think you started focus towards your career more in these recent times. There is material success is coming towards you. A lot of abundance, financial stability is coming. Even though you are not seeing it because it is very slow, but it is coming. There will be financial stability in relationship also. In near future, there will some stability is coming towards you. But it is about more career and finances. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Queen of Wands, Ace of Swords and Three of Pentacles. I think in your relationship in past, maybe there was no partnership between both of you. One person is giving too much, but other person is only taking. So I think they realized your worth. Maybe they started investing in this connection because Three of Pentacles, someone is ready to offer stability and partnership with you especially. So there is some communication, honest communication was happened between you and your person in recent past. Because you are stand by your power, you are very grounded, you are no more dependent on anyone, either emotionally or financially. You focused on completely on yourself. So they realize your worth. Maybe someone is coming to you, they want partnership with you. This is one case, but very few. Maybe you decided to cut off someone from your life because there is no equal give and take. There is no partnership. Very few. But most of you, someone is ready to offer partnership. And there is some honest communication is coming, truth coming out, clarity, communication with clarity. Then present Queen of Pentacles, Page of Swords and Ten of Cups. Yes. So you both want this happiness with each other and it is coming definitely because Three of Pentacles, when you both started to offer equal give and take to each other, definitely there is Ten of Cups, happiness is coming. And maybe there is communication is coming. Maybe another person may be spying on you, they're stalking on you on social media, but you focus on yourself, on your career, on your abundance because Queen of Pentacles, and you are very caring and giving person, Gemini. Then future Nine of Swords, Nine of Pentacles and Queen of Cups. Maybe there are some issues between you and your person, or maybe you have some trauma, like you are not unable to sleep, you are getting a lot of thoughts like anxiety, depression, maybe you have in work pressure, whatever there are, something is going in near future. Maybe don't be in this energy, do meditation when you are this energy, then yes, you will be overcome this energy and you are become like this Nine of Pentacles. You are no more dependent on anyone, especially emotionally and financially you are very stable. See this card. Then but you are very caring person and you have so much emotions for your person, Queen of Cups. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you, then we will get more clarity. Five of Swords, maybe they hurt you, that's why you are feeling like this. Maybe they cheated on you, lied to you. So let's see your person feelings towards you, Gemini. I think they are taking their time right now because Temperance with High Priestess, they're listening to their intuition, trusting their intuition. And Knight of Cups, they have so much love for you. Yeah, they want to offer their cup of love to you, but right now they're waiting for the right time. Maybe Temperance, maybe the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius. So they want to restore the balance in this connection. Patience is the key here, guys. So what I'm seeing here, this is a spiritual bond between both of you. You both are spiritually connected. So let's see their actions towards you. Chariot, yeah, they're taking it very slow. Yes, there will some moment in near future, but it is very slow moving. Right now, your person is holding back due to, it could be any reason. Maybe they have some family issues or family problems, whatever. But they're coming back with an apology. They realize their mistake because Page of Cups is here and King of Wands. And your person also very powerful and very grounded person. So maybe for some, your person is immature. So Page of Cups is here. They're coming back with an apology. And Chariot, yeah, they're coming back, but very, very slow moving energy. Yeah, they want celebrations with you. They know they hurt you because Nine of Swords energy. That's why they're taking their time. Maybe they want to heal, or they want to you heal completely before they're coming towards you. That's why they're taking their time, but they're coming back with an apology. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Maybe your person have so much love for you but not expressing. Maybe having hard time to express their feelings. Nine of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles. Right now your person is juggling. Yeah, they have options for some. Because Nine of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles and Seven of Cups. That's why they're taking their time. That's why they're holding back for some. That's why maybe you are thinking about them a lot. And that's causing depression and anxiety energy in you, especially Gemini. So that's why you started focusing on yourself. So I'm saying they're taking their time because they're taking it very slow because they have options. They have to choose. Maybe they're going to be choose you. That's why they're coming back with an apology. Two cards. You're feeling sad. You want to manifest someone or something into your life. Gemini. Maybe you're feeling bored. Yeah, Six of Cups. You both are thinking about each other and you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Yeah, there is some communication. Apology is coming. Maybe they are going to be choose you. They're juggling in past because they have options, but they're going to be choose you, and there is apology because they feel that you both are connected spiritually and you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. So let's see your overall energy, Gemini. Hermit, right now you are undergoing some healing process, meditation, and you are taking your control back, Gemini, and you're more focused on your career, and in relationship also long-term commitment is coming. Judgment, you have to make decision is in your hands. So let's see your person overall energy. For some it could be long distance relationship, guys. Hermit, Hierophant, yeah, they want to offer commitment. They want second chances. They want this happiness. Ten of Cups. Wow, the sun. You are their happiness. You are their sunshine. Yeah, they have options. They're going to be choose you. They're coming back. So let's see some messages from your person and through channel. Gemini. I'm very attracted to you. Passion. Finances and career. You are the only one for me. Text is coming. And I'm serious about you. Yeah, they're very serious about you because they realize you both. So they're very passionate about you. Right now your person is juggling, and for some your person may be concentrating on their career and finances also. But they are very attracted to you. Text is coming. You are the only one for them. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. For you, Gemini. Work through your fears. So if you're having any fears, don't hide them. Work through your fears because you have to overcome it, especially when new moon in Scorpio. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.